you just
I can show you the garage. Oh,
yeah.
So we're running from time to time.
Wow, nice view. Big fun. Ooh. Wow. That is your car collection.
Just cars that don't work. I collect yeah. It's one of the three ways, stop line. That's a friend of mine. Oh, I see. This is my favorite car. Oh, yeah.
Wow.
So, my first car was 180. Really? Where? Really? They had a Fiat? Yes. Yes. I love car. Yeah, exactly. It's what do you call it? It's front end. Yeah. It's a friend of mine. He doesn't know better. I told him he has a engine. He's like, no, I like this one. Right. It's available. I'm like, you should worry. He's like, I know. If they buy the car, okay. This one's, it's a kind of a carbon top, right? Mm-hmm. So, everything will come back and parking. Yeah. So, this is what my next is. But I'm going to keep it there for a while because if it's there, it's made for service. I said, this will do. One invoice.
Oh, thank you.
Yep.
Wow.
You know, if you let me leave here without agreeing, then it's lawyer time. Then it's going to cost you much more. So you can decide. Right. Let's make it fair. Yeah. What did they do? What kind of a mistake did they do? The problem is that some gas stations, they can sometimes add water, something, you know. Then you have a V10 at 8,500 RPM. Yeah, enough water. No? Upstairs and have lunch.
Great. Thank you.
Have lasagna.
Ah, nice.
Lasagna.
Wow.
Yes, this is for guests. Everyone has to work in my house. Yeah. there is no resting here.
Yeah, tinting. Tantan.
This one is super racist. You want to be right? That's why I bought it. Immediately. Which one is the most racist? This is the one here. Don't, but I'll buy it. I love it.
Wow, that's nice.
Have you had this house for a while? Yeah.
Another toy.
That's
Ducati.
But that's seriously, that's a serious bike. But it's a 125. That's a 125? It's a two-stroke, single cylinder 125. That's what's cool about it. Can't find that. Yes, it's 30 horsepower, slow. That I stole from the Nürburgring. Stolen property. Yes, I took it because it has a speed limit on it once, but then I removed it.
250.
Yeah.
Really?
It was the speed limit. Oh, no, yes.
Wow.
Go upstairs here.
Nice. Okay.
Close the door.
Okay. Someone is walking.
Hello. Here we go.
to meet you.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
Here we go.
Oh,
See
thank you.
There's a dog if you want to say hello.
Don't open to okay?
Yeah, there you You met. It's Croatian. Yes. But you met. Oh, you met on.
Did we meet?
Yes.
That's all.
On Thursday.
Maybe. I don't recall.
Yeah, I was working.
You have the monster now.
What?
Don't call the monster now.
You have a bull terrier if you want to see.
Bull terrier, oh my god. The
Jumps to the back.
Oh, he's waiting. Oh, he or she?
Sure.
He's waiting.
It's a he.
Very good.
Yes, he's a monster, yes. Please sit down.
Thank
I
you.
brought you just a little more house gift.
Oh, wow.
Please enjoy that anytime.
Oh, this is my neighbor. He's right here.
Is that so?
Yes, made 15 meters from here.
What a
I'm
good
just
guess
kidding,
that
I'm
was.
just kidding.
that
Oh, we make this wine.
How did you know?
I don't know, how do we?
Oh, looks good. Where should we put?